Ken, your trailer's still here. Probably not much count now, but it's here. Outhouse is gone. Power pole's still on the ground. Didn't tear it completely out. I guess search and rescue's been through, so it's tore the ground all up. The old trailer's gone, but the I hate for people lost their cabin. Cabin's turned up on the side here. Yeah, oh yeah, it's totally gone. The I wish I had a spray can. I wish I had a spray can. His anchor's held. See his anchors?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, the frame's down too, the piers. Look at this big old pine tree it was up. There's a motorhome sitting over the hill right there.
I know.
The Chevrolet Dodge. This is why I will never build anything on the river. Never, ever. That don't belong there. This came from somewhere. None of this is supposed to be here. This is not a camper pile. This is just a pile of trash that's piled up. The amount of devastation just that we have, and ours is just stuff, is just tremendous. I mean, we just lost stuff. There's folks around here who have lost every last thing they own, and plus new stuff that they built. I mean, this cabin right here was new. It's relatively new. It was a beautiful little cabin up the river there, about a half a mile. Looks like the boat dock might still be here. There is a lot of trash around though. Maybe not as much as in '96, but still a tremendous amount of trash. This is just unbelievable. Unbelievable. I wish I had some spray paint. I'd right on that mobile home to take it. Hopefully they'll know to take it. Won't they? I said hopefully they'll know to take it.